Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to clear your search history on Snapchat app, then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video I will show you how to clear your search history on Snapchat app in just simple steps. So first of all, open your Snapchat application and then click on your profile picture on top left corner. After that, click on setting icon on top right corner and then just scroll down and find clear history option. In the account actions, you can see clear search history. From here you can clear your search history on Snapchat. So click on it and confirm clear. So guys, our search history on Snapchat app has been cleared successfully. In this way you can clear your search history from the Snapchat app very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.